You gonna say anything else?
Well, my mommy said we're gonna eat. So
Yeah, what are we gonna have for dinner tonight?
we are gonna have chicken and spaghetti. And I'm gonna have a really fun bath.
Yeah? And what kind of cereal do you eat for breakfast at Mama's house?
I eat Puppy Crunch.
What is it?
Puppy Crunch.
Not Captain Crunch.
Puppy.
Puppy.
Yeah.
And what do you suck at night? What do you call that?
Bunny rabbit.
No. What do you call this when you do this? Yeah, what's that called?
Suck my thumb.
You thuck your thumb.
Yes, only not at school.
Not at school.
And I'm all done my homework.
Very good. Do you have any advice for those of us who are just going to be going to kindergarten?
Well, my mom's gonna come with me.
Well, would you like to tell anybody else out there that might be going to kindergarten for the first time?
I'm going to kindergarten for lots of times until I grow up, just like my mom.
Yeah?
Until I grow up to my mom, like my mom, I don't go to school anymore. I go to work.
And what kind of work are you going to go to?
I'm going to go any work I want.
Really?
Yep.
What do you think you're going to do at work?
I am going to do computers.
Are you?
Yes, because I love my mom, because she always does computers.
Yeah?
Yeah, because she's better than me. And I always love my puppy dog. My puppy dog's in his cage because he was bad.
Yeah, it's hard to do homework when the puppy dog's out, isn't it?
Yeah. The first time I just got my homework and Mommy was trying to help me. Because I love my mom helping me. My mom was so proud of me. And sooner I just walk and walk because I would, excuse me for a minute. Ow.
Where are you going?
I need some paper. Color. I'm going to color, Mommy.
Okay, well, come back here because we have to go get a bath.
Got it.
Lily, don't use my storeless pad. Use your paper.
Oh, I don't have no paper.
Yes, I'll show you where you have lots of paper. All right, say goodbye then.
Goodbye.
You gonna wave?
Bye.
See how he's grown. Look at the battery already. There's Kipper. Can Kipper give me paw? Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. That's a good boy. All right, down. Kipper, down. Down. Good boy. That's a good boy. No, there he is. There's the growing Kipper boy. Do something interesting. You look so mad.
My Asiago cheese.
Is that what it is? Asiago?
Mm-hmm. Want to try it?
All right, I'll try it.
Like
That's
it.
what my mom gets all the time.
It's pretty good. It's not too strong, but it's strong.
She uses it a lot for cooking stuff.
Definitely been aged.
Mm-hmm. I like that. That's good. He needs fed. You're so handsome.
I know.
Get that on film. This never happened. He's just trying to look good.
How much are these? These big things that go through like one a week?
You don't want to know. You really don't want to know.
How much is this animal costing us? That's what I want to know. Altogether. Do you have any idea altogether?
You don't want to know. You know what you could find out? If you went on our spreadsheet and look at all the notes. I have all It's our first snow in Delaware. It's a big one. It's December 5th. And getting like 8 inches. We're home from school and work today.
I'm eating them. This is my Frosty, and we made them today. And I'm glad to see you. And this is my home.
What are you eating?
What?
What are you eating?
I'm eating snow.
Uh-huh. Is it yellow?
No, it's white. And my Frosty has ears and one broken, my mommy. And look at his hat. And there's everywhere snow. I eat it every day. I have my gloves on and my boots. These are my new boots, Mommy.
Yeah.
And this is our first time for Christmas, and I can't wait until Christmas. And then when it's Christmas, it's my turn to get a unicorn, but I already got one.
Nice.
And
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a horsey trainer. They're my favorite animals. And you know what? I get to eat it. I'm good.
Sword bus.
And it's good. No. I can't get anything in my butt. And I made my Frosty. And what's this? I love that. It's my favorite. And your little rocks and this down. And snow is like this. And it's one time in
It's quite a snow.
and everything and turns and that boy and the people there we go and look at our neighbors. Like to and say hello. Good girl. And
Say goodbye.
goodbye, I'll miss you. And it's very special.
Thank you. It's Christmas morning. Santa has come. It is our first semi-white Christmas in a long time. Stockings. Oh. That's right. And Santa left a biscuit here for Kipper. And ate his cookies. Drank his milk. And there's the Kipper. Why is he in here? Well, gee. Would you like to tell us why you're in there, Kipper? Yeah, that's what I thought. No, it was snowing last night. So there's a little bit of white Christmas there. we'll just wait for Lily to get up now.